Okay, so today we're gonna do a robot thingy.
So basically what we're doing is we're gonna build a circuit with soldering iron and all these pieces here.
Yeah. What's this? The diode.
Yeah. Diode, I'm sorry.
These two are capacitors. This is also a capacitor.
Okay.
This is a resistor, diode. These are MOSFETs? No, they're not MOSFETs. These are also capacitors, I think. I believe. No, wait. These are resistors. This is for the battery. I don't know what this is for. This is our PCB board. These are LEDs.
So this is what we're soldering, right?
This is another capacitor. This is yet another LED. Yep. We're gonna use soldering.
Yeah, okay.
So important. You will notice some of the parts of your PC board intentionally undrilled to allow you to make necessary connections directly to the board. The first step in assembling, you learn to solder a robot is customize your PCB board if desired. If you want to round off all the corners using a sandpaper and/or file, use the small board is the head and the larger board is the robot's body. After shaping the board, you may wish to spray paint the non-foil side with a bright color of your choice. After each PC board dries, you can start the soldering process, which begins in step 2. So what it's talking about is if you want to round the edges, if you want to paint the back. Can't paint this
I'm
part.
going to ask everybody to stand up one at a time. That I'll ask you and describe me what is the soldering process. You watch the video. How do we solder?
Oh, yes.
Listen.
So first, we gotta make sure the tip of our soldering iron is clean. Before we turn it on or after?
Before we turn it on.
Before we turn it on.
Yeah.
And then after that, tin if necessary. And then when you're gonna start soldering, you heat up the connection, and then you apply the solder. And you leave the soldering iron just enough to melt the solder completely. And then you remove the solder and then the soldering iron. And then you've soldered.
Yeah, guys, this is what we made. You gotta pay for it.
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, increase the temperature.
What do we put temperature?
Well, we're putting 300, so.